Would you believe that in 2025 you can still get a brand new Samsung smartphone for under $100? Well, that's exactly what Samsung has done with its latest launch, the Galaxy A07. This is now the company's most affordable phone for 2025, and it brings some surprisingly good features for such a low price. Let's break down everything you need to know. The Galaxy A07 comes as a direct successor to last year's Galaxy A06. That device was Samsung's cheapest phone up until now. But with the A07, Samsung has managed to pack in a little more while, keeping the cost extremely low. For now, the phone is launched in Indonesia, starting at just 1,399,000 Indonesian rupiah. That's roughly 86 United States dollars. So, what do you get for that price? Quite a lot, actually. The Galaxy A07 features a large 6.7-inch LCD screen with an HD+ resolution. The display also supports a refresh rate of 90 Hz, which makes scrolling smoother compared to the typical 60 Hz screens in this budget range. Under the hood, Samsung has used the MediaTek Helio G99 chipset. This is paired with multiple options for memory and storage. The base model offers 4 GB of RAM with 64 GB of storage. You can also choose from 4 GB RAM with 128 GB storage, 6 GB RAM with 128 GB storage, or the top-end version with 8 GB RAM and 256 GB storage. And if that's not enough, there's even a microSD card slot to expand storage further. When it comes to battery life, the Galaxy A07 packs a 5,000 mAh battery. This should easily last a full day on normal usage. On top of that, the phone supports 25-watt super fast charging. For a budget phone, that's quite impressive. Now let's talk cameras. At the back, you get a dual camera setup with a 50 megapixels main camera and a 2 megapixels macro camera. On the front, there's an 8 megapixels selfie camera. It may not match the high-end Galaxy S series, but for this price, the setup is solid enough for casual photography and video calls. One thing to note is that the Galaxy A07 only supports up to 4G LTE connectivity. There's number 5G here, but considering the cost, that's an expected compromise. The software side, however, is where Samsung really shines. The phone runs Android 15 with One UI 7.0 right out of the box. Even better, Samsung is promising 6 full operating system upgrades and 6 years of security updates. That's almost unheard of in this price category, making it one of the best long-term value phones available. In terms of design, the Galaxy A07 measures 164.4 by 77.4 by 7.6 millimeters and weighs 184 grams. It also comes with an IP54 rating for dust and water resistance. The rear body is made using glass fiber reinforced polymer, which Samsung says makes it both stronger and lighter. The phone is available in 3 color options: black, green, and light violet. Now, let's quickly look at the prices again. The base 4 GB RAM with 64 GB storage model costs around 86 United States dollars. The 4 GB RAM with 128 GB storage model is priced at about 101 United States dollars. The 6 GB RAM with 128 GB storage version comes in at 120 United States dollars, while the top model with 8 GB RAM and 256 GB storage costs about 141 United States dollars. So, the big question is, should you buy it? If you're looking for a super affordable phone that still offers a big display, decent cameras, a reliable battery, and years of software updates, the Galaxy A07 makes a very strong case. Of course, it doesn't have 5G, but at this price point, it's hard to complain. What do you think? Would you consider buying the Galaxy A07 for yourself or as a budget backup phone? Share your thoughts in the comments, and if you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to hit like and subscribe to our channel for more updates on the latest tech launches.